The customer appreciates knowing that they're the number one focus. When a customer calls, they don't receive a recording. They speak to a receptionist and she gets them to a salesperson or customer rep right away. I think customers appreciate that, especially today. And they also appreciate the knowledge that the salesperson has. Customers choose us because we respond. We can respond within an hour in most cases.
We also put pressure on ourselves. We have a lot of KPIs. We have 99% on-time delivery. So if we make a promise, we want to stick to it.
Adam's two strategic facilities, in addition to being able to provide our customers with reduced freight costs, it also provides us with redundancy. As part of our strategic planning and disaster recovery planning, we're able to transition products and manufacturing between either of those facilities, giving our customers confidence in our ability to deliver in all circumstances.
Here at Adams, we maintain a very robust quality control system. It's ISO certified, and it allows us to keep our focus on customer satisfaction and customer requirements. We maintain a fully equipped QC lab with all the necessary instrumentation to monitor dimensional and magnetic requirements for our customers.